say this, but the Jeep's got a problem and we gotta fix it. Because it's a nice sunny weekend, we're gonna take off the half doors. We did, and rolled up the back. Let's start off the weekend right. Let's throw this stuff out. I'm eating too much of this crap. Time the Jeep warms up, we're gonna get the MIG welder and roll it out, get it ready to weld up the muffler. Oh, would you look at this? Rui's Miata looks sick as heck. Right now, we gotta worry about getting this thing ready. Let's bring this thing around back. And here we are. This is for all the haters that are gonna end up saying, if I don't disconnect the battery, meh. That's why I got those quick disconnects. Alright guys, let's weld it up. We put a fire blanket here to protect it from the fuel line. Alright guys, so it's all tack welded back up and should hold good. Alright guys, so it looks good. I'm gonna wrap it all up here and let's see how it feels. Remember to stay hydrated. Good stuff. Man, look at her shine. The Jeep looks good. Ride's good. I just gave it a little clean. I just turned it on. You guys, nice and shiny. Let's drive her home for the weekend. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. We need to hit at least 1,000 subscribers, so let's go.